Alright guys, so what I have here is my pork tenderloin that I sliced and marinated in the al pastor that I got off of Instagram at Diva Q. And I have my pineapple and my onion. So let me show you what I'm going to do to build this. Okay, so here I have my little fryer hook that I cut the hook part off and made a point with the grinder. So I'm going to take the bottom of my pineapple, I cored it, set it right there. Dig in the marinade. I'm going to pull out a pork slice, set it right on top. Do a couple slices. Take some onion, just layer it in there like so. Then another pork chop. Some of these did get a little thick, but hey, it's cooking. I'm kind of moving them around. I'm going to take a pineapple wedge, put it on there, push it down. Alright guys, here's our al pastor. Now, I'm going to put it on the cooker. I got it up to 225 degrees. Let's get it on. Alright guys, so it's been 3 hours and 10 minutes and I think this puppy's done. It just tipped out at 135. So it's a pork tenderloin, so I don't want it up over 140, 145. So I'm going to pull it now and I'm going to put it in the oven and let it rest. Let's take a look at this. And it is falling apart. Whew. There's a little vittle. Good night. That's all I got to say. Alright, so here's our finished product. It's rested about an hour. Actually 50 minutes. So let's just go ahead and recap. 225 degrees for 3 hours and 10 minutes. Got us at internal temp of a 135 in the center. So the outside was done. Alright, so let's get this a little slice here. Look at that. Got the onion, got the pineapple, and obviously the pork and all its goodie. All right, so now we're going to slice just a little bit more. I'll keep slicing this afterwards, but we're going to go ahead and taste test. I want to get some pork. Let me get a little bit of pineapple here and some onion. Wow, such an earthy flavor. Man, the pineapples are really good. Bear cooked, try it. I'm telling you, like the onion, really like dissolved in there. Wow. It's got a little, it's a little heat. There's a little heat in the back end. But I'm telling you what, this is great. So what I got is just a little street taco. I'm gonna put a piece of pineapple down in there. Get some of that onion, some of that pork. Oh. Let me tell you, that's a piece of bay leaf. We don't need that. Now that's a Mongo taco right there.
Can you even fold it?
Barely. Probably should take a piece out.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that helped out.
Is it good?
Good night. Al Pastor. Amazing. Get out there, fire it up, try something different. Do it with your kids and your family. Remember, family barbecues together.
Stays together.
Have a great one, everybody.